Technology to the rescue. Imagine a receptionist working for you who never takes a day off, works all 3 shifts, 24/7, and costs less than half the price of hiring for just 1 shift. This innovative solution answers all your callers' questions, books your appointments, and even makes the sales for you. It's efficient, effective, and unbelievably affordable. You have a huge advantage right now, before your competitors catch on. You might want to act fast, because we'll be speaking to them in the next few days. Request your free custom calculator and a free preview of your custom receptionist for the pool cleaning service industry. For a short time, we're offering a free custom receptionist, designed specifically for pool cleaning specialists. Experience how your very own loyal, hardworking, efficient receptionist will sound. After you are satisfied, you can get your very own receptionist, designed and built for your company. The best part is, you can start for as low as $497 a month, with a small setup fee. Go to callstobook.com to request your free custom receptionist today. Discover how you can capture 34% to 65% more incoming calls from people responding to your ads, finding you on Google or Yelp, and looking for you to help them. Watch your pool cleaning business grow with callstobook.com. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar at callstobook.com, signing off. Connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and join our groups to learn more about recovering lost revenue. Follow us for updates. Reply calculator for your free calculator to see how much you are currently losing and how much more revenue you can capture back.